Hello everyone. Is everybody to start the lesson? Are you ready to the lesson? Okay, let's start our English lesson. Grade 5, Unit 12, Lesson 3. Before beginning the lesson, we will play one game with you. This game is called word puzzle game. In this game, now you should pay attention to the exercise, to the picture 1. In the first picture, you will complete this puzzle with the help of these letters. For example, what can you see in the first picture? Yes, of course, you can see in the first picture cow. Okay, in the second picture, you can complete this puzzle with the help of these letters. Okay, what about the third picture? In the third picture, you can find the names of animals with the help of letters too. For example, what can you see in the first picture? Yes, you can see lamp. L-M-L-A-M-B. There are, how many letters are there? Yes, you are right. There are 4 letters. Okay, now you can write these words into your dictionary copybook. Today we are going to learn how to make a sentence using could and couldn't. Our new thing is could and couldn't. Let's see the rulers. Could and couldn't are the past tense of can and can't. As you know, it has 3 forms. First, affirmative forms, negative forms, and interrogative forms. How do we make a sentence? How can we make a sentence in affirmative form? First of all, you should use subjects. What kind of subjects do you know? Yes. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, their subjects. Yeah? After subjects, you can add could, then verb 1. Okay, let's read this example. You could speak well. You here subject, then could speak this verb 1. Next, negative form. In the negative form, we can put the first subjects, then could not, then verb 1. Okay, let's read this example. You could not speak well. You, here subject, could not, then speak this verb 1. Okay, the third form of this, could and couldn't, this interrogative form. In the interrogative form, could should be at the beginning of the sentences. For example, could, then we can add subjects, then verb 1. Could you speak well? Could you, it is subject, speak this verb 1. Next sentence. Uses and meanings of could and couldn't. The first, could, it is simple past tense of can. For example, before I was blind, I could see very well. Okay, the second use, ability. Ability in the past. We can use could too. For example, I could tennis when I was a kid. And the second meaning is suggestion. Suggestion. Сыныш кылганыбызда колдонобуз балдар. For example, we could take a taxi. Request. Request. Could I please have the check? Could you please give me a hand? Okay, the next meanings permission. Уруксат сураганда колдонобуз балдар буну. Could I take the exam tomorrow? Could I take Friday? Okay, let's see the next examples. Here given to ability, suggestion, possibility, request, conditional of can and permission. You can write these rulers and these examples into your grammar technique. Okay, let's read one example for ability. I could smell something burning. For suggestion, I could help you with Spanish. For possibility, you could have called it first. Request, could I go to the park? Conditional of can, I could visit many places if I had more money. Permission, уруксат сураганда, could I speak to Mary? Okay, let's see these examples. For example, I can run very fast. I can run very fast. It is situation now, yeah? And I could run very fast too. It is abilities in the past. I can read. I could read. You should pay attention to the word in red. I can swim. I could swim. Okay, now we have a song. You can listen this song and you can underline the words with could.
96. Listen and sing.
When I was a baby, I could see and drink. I could only drink milk and cry and scream. When I was a baby, I couldn't talk. I couldn't go to school and I couldn't walk. But now that I am older, I can go to school. I can read and play. Growing up is cool.
Okay, did you listen? Your homework. You will complete this exercise and you will write this exercise into your exercise copybook. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.